ELKO EP is one of the world's leading manufacturers of electronic equipment for home, office and industrial use. For decades, their products have been used by customers in many countries around the world. Hello, my name is Tomasz Kojecki, and I am a product manager for relays in ELKO EP. I would like to present our updated portfolio. We can begin with new time relays CRM 111H, followed by auxiliary relays in the socket PTRM and PTRA. Our next category is time switch clocks, where we have newly added analog ATS clocks. I'm sure you know our memory and bistable relays, auxiliary relays and contractors, twilight switches and dimmers, power supplies, including the new PSXM series. Another category is monitoring relays, including a new multifunctional product, the HRN100, for voltage monitoring, relay switches for monitoring the currents, and relays for monitoring the level of liquids. The HRH9 for up to 6 probes, and also relays for monitoring temperature.